CORSAIR Champion Series products are designed for and tested by top esports professionals, helping to carry you to victory with a competition-grade keyboard featuring a portable and space-saving Tenkeyless form factor, a detachable USB Type-C cable, and a tournament mode switch. CORSAIR AXON hyper-processing technology transmits your inputs to your PC up to 8x faster than conventional gaming keyboards with 8000 Hz hyper-polling. Take on the competition in style with a durable aluminum frame illuminated by fully programmable dynamic per-key RGB backlighting to sport your team's colors or create your own personalized lighting effects. Flip the tournament switch and focus on winning those critical games, automatically swapping to distraction-free static backlighting and disabling accidental macro activations. Precision-molded PBT double-shot keycaps with a standard bottom row layout resist wear, fading, and shine, with 1.5 mm thickness for rigid stability. Top reviews from the United States. Fantastic gaming keyboard. I got the red silent switches and couldn't be happier with the keyboard. It looks great, the keys feel great, solidly built, and it is a joy to game with. Highly recommend to anyone looking for a compact, mechanical gaming keyboard. CORSAIR nailed it with this one.